Now we get into something that takes us up a notch. We combine those last two exercises of using a seventh chord whenever possible, because we know that sevenths are the next color that can be useful in a chord after the three-note triad. So we're going to take that 2-5-1 exercise and we're going to combine it with the sevenths. And we're going to find that those four-note chords suddenly give us a lot more combination and color. But we're going to start by trying to find the least amount of movement. That's where economy of motion becomes so valuable. So that D minor, that 2-5-1 in C, which is D minor, G major, and C, right? We're gonna find that D minor, if we add a seventh in root position, we get this D minor 7. Now, how many notes can stay the same to get to a G7? G dominant 7 is what I want. These two can stay the same. That's my 5, there's my 7. If I move these down, there's a G dominant 7th chord. What can stay the same to get to a C major 7? These two can stay the same. These two move, and I end up with a C major 7. Now, I'm not introducing any other colors yet, just a 7th. And so you get this movement. Notice what stayed and what moved. From the D minor 7, the top two move. Now the bottom two move. That is a very logical set of chords to learn. So you want to learn in every key the same. If I go to my A minor 7 and I start root position, to the D7, the top two move. To get to the G, the bottom two move. Okay? This one is gorgeous. You want to learn to do 2-5-1s in every key with that seventh added. And you start with a root position 2 minor. You'll end at a root position 1 major 7. And all your other ones in every key line up the same. It doesn't matter where you start. If I'm in B flat, I start with a C minor, right? And then I got to go, these two move, these two stay the same. And that's how I end up with it. So work it out. Now you have your 7th chord exercise. Do that in every key. Don't just do it in C. Do it in every key. You have your 2-5-1 triad to work out in every key, and now you have your 7th chord 2-5-1s, 2 minor 5, 5 dominant 7, 1 major 7. Yay.